Your iPhone has a safety feature that could help during an emergency. It is called Medical ID, and setting it up only takes a few minutes. Let's do it together, step by step. First, open the Health app on your iPhone. Look for the white icon with a red heart. Inside the Health app, tap your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Now select Medical ID. If you have not set it up before, tap Get Started. Otherwise, tap Edit. Add the medical information that could be important during an emergency. This may include your medical conditions, allergies, medications, blood type, and emergency contacts. Only enter information that is accurate and current. Turn on Show when locked. This allows someone helping you to view your medical ID from the lock screen without knowing your passcode. Remember that this information may be visible to anyone who has physical access to your iPhone. Next, add at least one emergency contact. Choose someone you trust, such as a partner, family member, or close friend. Check that their phone number is correct. Review your medical ID regularly. Update it whenever your medications, allergies, medical conditions, or emergency contacts change. Outdated information may not be helpful during an emergency. Your medical ID is now ready. This simple iPhone feature can make important information easier to access when every second matters. Take a moment today to help a family member set up theirs too. Thank you for watching Simply Senior Guide. Subscribe for more simple technology and safety tips for life after 65.